Hi, Alex. My name's Corey. Steve told me to send over the screencast. Real quick, I'm just going to send over three free tips on how to actually get more rankings to your website and really bring in that quality traffic as well. So the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Kind of running through your website real quick. One thing I do want to point out before I go over anything, I do like your call out right at the very top there. That's great. Easy to navigate as well. So the first thing I actually want to go over is content. Really bringing your word count up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need a little bit more content in there, a lot more content actually, so that way we can layer other keywords of what you're actually trying to be found for as well. Even these images, what they're saved as, it all matters. Google recognizes this. You got service COs, Air One. You can actually put buyer's intent keywords back there. That's just going to help with your rankings even more. If I go inside of Google here and type in AC repair Pensacola, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees right here at the very top. These are actually brand new to Google. They came up with these to replace some of these old school ads. They actually put these ones down here at the bottom now. A lot of people have been going away with ads because they've been very spammy. So they came up with those Google guarantees to help spam out some of those phone calls. A lot of people have been going away with ads because of ad blockers and things like that. So a lot of ads aren't even going through anyway. I've seen ads anywhere from 30 to 140 bucks a click. So imagine people just clicking on that. I mean, it does get pretty pricey at the end of the day. I don't know if you're doing ads, but I can see here in just a minute. But underneath the ads, we have this little map section. This map section, to get the rankings here, what we'd want to do is go through your top competitors, find out those same citations they have. We obviously want to grab those. And also, we don't really want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more citations as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this map section is going to be dealing with all that organic traffic. This is the first page of Google, and to get yourself there, it's going to come down to having high authority content, so you can be found for those keywords, but also it comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I go in and they take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. Looks like you got this thing started back in 2013 or so. January 2016, you started working on your backlinking. You got 8 referring domains, 16 backlinks coming from that. Looks like you had about 99 backlinks historically. It does look like you are running ads. The PPC stands for pay per click. So you got a few ads going there. I don't know if you're doing any TV, radio. I'd love to break down your rate of return on how much you're paying for that as well. So the 13 clicks that are coming to your website, we can actually go in and see where those clicks are actually coming from. So so these are the keywords that you're ranking for. This is the amount of traffic. This is the traffic that's coming from these keywords, and then this is also the position that you're in with each keyword as well. So kind of giving you a couple examples here. Air conditioning repair Pensacola, there's 250 clicks every month. You got 13th position, so you're getting just a few clicks from that 250. Really, you should get on that first page, and you should be getting about 15-20% of that 250. Ideally, is where I like to be around. So going in, HVAC Pensacola, 80 clicks, missing all the traffic. AC repair Pensacola FL, another 100 clicks. Once again, missing all the traffic. So really going through and finding these keywords that are going to rank, that's going to help push more quality traffic. Making sure you're ranking for those keywords is just crucial for that business. Give you a quick example. This is Boutwell's Air Masters. Put them in Ahrefs real quick. So these are all the keywords here. Their position that they're actually ranking for. 31 clicks out of AC repair Pensacola. There's 90 clicks just for that one keyword, and they get 31 clicks because they do have that first position. Air conditioning repair Pensacola, 250. They got the second position here. Something's not optimized right because they're only getting 30 clicks out of the 250, so something needs to be adjusted there because that should be a lot higher. But really making sure sure that you're found for those keywords and you have enough power so that way you can get on that first position, second positions, get those higher positions to actually get a decent amount of traffic. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over and think that I might have a few tricks on my sleeve, feel free to reach back out to me. I'd love to hear from you. If you just want to leave a review on this, I'd love reviews as well. Tell me how I did on this video, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thank you.